All right, Gen Z, let's talk about credit. No, not your artistic merit or how many friends you have. I'm talking about your credit score. That mysterious three-digit number that dictates whether you get an apartment, a car, or even a decent phone plan. When you're 18, your credit score is basically a ghost. It doesn't exist. And that's because society treats you like a financial leper without one. It's a classic catch-22. You need credit to get credit. Infuriating, right? Welcome to adulting, where everything is designed to confuse you until you give up. But fear not, young grasshoppers. There are cheat codes, and unlike those gurus selling you courses, I'm giving them to you for free. First, understand why credit matters. It's not just for buying a house, it's your financial reputation. A good score means lenders trust you, offering better interest rates and making your life significantly cheaper. A bad score? Well, enjoy paying exorbitant interest on everything, assuming you can even get approved. Cheat code 1. Become an authorized user. Find a financially responsible parent or guardian with excellent credit. Ask them to add you as an authorized user on one of their credit cards. You don't even need to use the card. Their good payment history will often start appearing on your credit report, giving you a jumpstart. Just make sure they actually have good credit and pay on time, or you'll inherit their financial woes, which is less than ideal. Cheat code 2. Secured credit card. This is your training wheels card. You put down a deposit, aka $200, and that becomes your credit limit. It's secured by your own money, so there's no risk to the bank. Use it for small, regular purchases you can always pay off immediately and in full. Think gas, streaming subscriptions, or a single sad coffee. The goal is to show consistent, responsible behavior. After 6 to 12 months of perfect payments, many secured cards will graduate to an unsecured card and refund your deposit. Cheat code 3. Credit builder loan. These are less common but effective. You essentially take out a small loan, $500 to $1,000, but the money is held in a locked account. You make regular payments on it, and once it's paid off, you get the money back. The bank reports your payments to the credit bureaus, showing you're reliable. It's a forced savings plan that builds credit. Again, pay on time, every time. Cheat code 4. Experian Boost and Ultra FICO. These aren't magic, but they can help. Experian Boost uses your utility and phone payments to potentially increase your Experian score. Ultra FICO uses your banking history. They're not universal, but every little bit helps when you're starting from zero. The golden rule for all of these